Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and are staying safe in COVID, and it's really good to be back, and thank you so much for all your support that you've shown in the past videos. And if you are new here and you haven't checked out my videos, I'll link it in the description. Please watch it. So I really took a long gap in between where I stopped making videos because I was little bit busy, but now I am back with a new video, and today's video is all about myths or facts about cabin crew job. Yes, so every day I come across a lot of questions where people ask me, guys get sleep and how long do you work, how many flights do you do in a day. Some of the things that you people say are true, but some of them are not true, they are myths. So I would really like to clarify that in this video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first point is, which I've been hearing since I've joined my airline, is that air hostesses are basically waitresses on board. They're just there to serve people and take care of them. Well, I won't deny that we are there for taking care of whosoever is coming on board, but we are not waitresses for sure, because we go through a training of 3 months, and that training is extremely tough. We learn how to swim, we learn firefighting, and we learn evacuation in 90 seconds. So we are basically there in case something goes wrong, in case there's an emergency, so that we can rescue each and every passenger within that 90-second timeline. So if you are somebody who doesn't know about this or who didn't know about this, well, your doubt is clear now. So we are anything but a waitress. So the next thing is that I've heard many people saying that pilots, co-pilots or cabin crew don't eat the same meal as passengers, and the reason behind that is food poisoning. Well, it's not true completely, because we do eat passenger food when we are traveling as passengers or we are deadheading. But mainly we don't eat the food which is provided to the passengers, because that is specially curated for the passengers, and for us we get simple meals so that we maintain a healthy lifestyle and we don't fall sick every now and then. So this is slightly true and a little bit of myth also. So the third point is that many people think we always work with the same people. It's not true, because we every day meet new people, and when I say new people, it means new passengers as well as new cabin crew and pilots. We never fly with the same set of crew. Only there's once in a blue moon that you will fly with the same set of crew again. Otherwise we never fly with them again. There are so many cabin crew in each airline that we barely get to see each other, and we never even fly with friends most of the times. So this is a myth. So the fourth point is that many people say that this job is hectic. I will say yes, 110% is extremely hectic, because when you are doing a ground job, your body does not get tired as much as we get tired just by doing 2 flights, because the aircraft cabin is pressurized and the environment is actually artificial. So your body is not used to that environment, so we get fatigued very easily and very fast, and we also do 4 flights in a day. So yeah, if most of you don't know that, we actually don't do just 1 flight and go home. We actually do 4 flights in a day, and that is extremely tiring. We do 12 hours duty in a day, so you can imagine how tough that is. The next point is that people think cabin crew के tickets या उनके friends के ticket या उनके family के tickets free होते हैं. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सिर्फ एक slight amount होता है जो हमें pay करना होता है. वो taxes होते हैं, airport taxes and other taxes that we also have to pay. It's not free for us. और friends के लिए तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, because only people whom we have blood relation with, सिर्फ उन्हीं को हम अपने साथ टिकट में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, फ्रेंड्स को नहीं कर सकते हैं. सॉरी ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स, आई नो, सॉरी. The next point is that a lot of people have asked me that whether the accommodation which we get is paid by the company या उसके लिए हम पे करते हैं. तो जब हम लेओवर्स पे जाते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स वो पैसे कंपनी के होते हैं, क्योंकि हम कंपनी ड्यूटी में ट्रैवल करके जाते हैं. तो हम जब दूसरे दूसरे शहरों में जाते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली जिस होटल में स्टे करते हैं वो कंपनी के थ्रू पेड होता है, बट जो हमारा बेस स्टेशन है, जैसे कि मेरे लिए बैंगलोर मेरा बेस है, तो यहाँ पे मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ उसके लिए रेंट या अगर वो मेरा घर है तो वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, दैट इज़ नॉट कंपनीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो दिस इज़ अ मिथ. ओनली द होटल स्टेज और लेओवर्स, जब हम अपने बेस से बाहर जाते हैं तो सिर्फ कंपनी उस चीज़ के पैसे देती है. Okay, so this next point is actually very funny because when I first heard of it, I thought it's completely illogical, and that is that captains और crew के पास पैराशूट होते हैं, अगर कोई emergency हो तो वो पहनकर जंप कर सकते हैं. यार हम इंसान हैं, अगर आप ऑन बोर्ड हो पैसेंजर्स को छोड़ के, हाउ कैन वी प्रैक्टिकली जंप आउट इन ऑफ एन एयरक्राफ्ट इन एयर? इट्स इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज हम बहुत ही हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड पे होते हैं. अगर हम जंप कर भी जाते तो हम जिंदा ही नहीं बचेंगे. सो दिस इज कम्प्लीटली इलॉजिकल एंड दिस इज अ मिथ. Okay, so the next point is that many people think that cabin crew cannot get married or they cannot conceive till they are working, which is extremely false because as much as we are professional, we also have our personal lives, and company won't want us to be single for the entire life, right? So even we get married leaves as well. Whenever a crew is getting married, they get their proper leaves for the marriage, so then they can enjoy their personal time and enjoy their own marriage. So it's false. हम भी शादी करते हैं. Okay, so the next point is that cabin crew are not allowed to eat on flights. Guys, ये बिल्कुल झूठ है. भूखे मर जाएंगे यार अगर कुछ खाएंगे नहीं तो. This is a lie. We do eat. हाँ, हमें पैसेंजर्स के सामने खाना अलाउड नहीं होता है. हमारा डेजिग्नेटेड एरिया होता है जहाँ हम काम करते हैं, हम वहीं बैठते हैं, हम वहीं खाते हैं. So we do eat. Okay, so most of you don't know this, but a few of my friends were asking about this, so I thought I'll mention this point because even a crew I was recently flying with wasn't aware about this. Is that cabin crew do not get visas or they do not get a stamp on their passports because we fly so much and it's like every day we go on a new destination. और जब हम इंटरनेशनल फ्लाई करते हैं, अगर हम हर ट्रैवल के लिए स्टैंप लगाएंगे तो हमारे हर महीने पासपोर्ट नया बनवाना पड़ेगा यार. सो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू गेट अ स्टैम्प फॉर ईच डेस्टिनेशन दैट वी आर गोइंग इनटू. सो हमारे लिए डिफरेंट डॉक्यूमेंट होता है, डिफरेंट प्रोसीजर होता है, बट हमें प्रॉपर वीज़ा नहीं मिलता है या हमारे पासपोर्ट पे स्टैम्प्स नहीं लगते हैं. ओनली इफ़ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग ऑन आवर ओन, हम अपने पैसे खर्च करके ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तब हमें स्टैम्प भी लगवाना पड़ता है, तब हम वीज़ा भी अप्लाई करते हैं, बट दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट व्हेन वी आर ऑन ड्यूटी वी नेवर गेट आवर वीज़ाज और वी नेवर गेट स्टैम्प ऑन आवर पासपोर्ट्स. Also, many people think that cabin crew are not allowed to sleep on flights. Well, of course, we are not allowed to sleep on flights which are very short, which are of short duration. But जब हम लंबी फ्लाइट्स पर जाते हैं, लॉन्ग हॉल फ्लाइट्स होती हैं, हम बहुत ही दूर के डेस्टिनेशन में जाते हैं, तब कैबिन क्रू के लिए डेजिग्नेटेड एरियाज़ होते हैं. मोस्टली हर एक एयरलाइन में वो नहीं होता है, बट जो एयरलाइंस जो कि लॉन्ग हॉल फ्लाइट्स पे, जैसे हम इंडिया से अगर यूरोप जा रहे हैं तो वो बहुत दूर है, तो उसमें कैबिन क्रू बहुत ज़्यादा फटीग हो जाएगा अगर वो सारी फ्लाइट बिना सोए करेंगे. तो तब उनको सोने की परमिशन होती है, बट एक लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए, और उनके लिए स्पेशल बंकर्स होते हैं ऑन बोर्ड जिसमें वो सोते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स पीपल वोंट गेट टू सी दैट, बट इट डज हैपन. Alright everyone, so it was lovely making this video for you all. I hope you guys like it. अगर पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन प्रेस करके जाओ, कमेंट करो कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको क्या देखनी है, और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो थोड़ा अप्रिशिएट भी कर दो. एंड आई होप यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इफ़ नॉट, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन for the notifications when I upload my video next. And it was really fun to make this video for you all. I hope you guys like it and I really need your support. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.